Are you trying to get into AI but don't know how to code? Langflow is your answer. Langflow is a no-code visual tool that lets you build AI applications just by dragging and dropping components. No Python, no programming experience needed. For beginners, this is a complete game changer. Instead of spending months learning to code, you can start building AI apps in minutes. You can create powerful chatbots, intelligent assistants, and automated workflows, all without writing a single line of code. But why does this matter for your career? 87% of companies now plan to hire AI talent. AI job postings have grown 3.5 times compared to just 3 years ago, and AI workflow engineers earn over $120,000 per year. Langflow gives you that understanding, visually. You can see exactly how AI models connect to databases, APIs, and memory systems. This is the kind of knowledge that gets you hired in 2025. Now here's something most people don't know. Langflow is actually built on top of LangChain, one of the most powerful AI frameworks in the world. So when you learn Langflow, you're learning the same concepts that professional developers use every single day. You're just doing it without code. Let's talk about the future. In 2023, Langflow was launched and changed everything. By 2024, major enterprises started adopting no-code AI tools. In 2025, AI skills became a must-have for career growth, and by 2026, the no-code AI market will triple in size. Those who start today will have a massive head start over everyone else. Langflow is free. Langflow is powerful. And it's built for beginners like you. This is your starting point for AI. Follow for more AI content.